Hi, we're from Norden Manufacturing. Today we're going to show you some helpful tips on your tie grabber. Each new Norden tie grabber includes a switch assembly that allows you to switch the manifold from the hook squeeze mode to the tie mode. This switch may be mounted on or alongside the existing hydraulic controls in your machine. Each switch has two wires coming out of it. The short red wire needs to be connected to a 12-volt power source in your machine, while the long black wire needs to be run from your machine along the boom to the wire that is attached alongside the hydraulic hoses. Once installation is complete, to switch the manifold to tie mode, you must press and hold the red button on the switch for the duration of the tie cycle. You must also press and hold the switch to return the twine arm to the right side of the tie grabber. If you have a newer Bobcat skid steer with a 7-pin electrical connection on the boom, you may purchase an optional CAN bus adapter that greatly simplifies installation and allows you to use an existing button on your joystick to activate the tie function. If your skid steer has a 14-pin electrical connector, we also have a 14-pin adapter, which you can use to connect to your existing electrical hookup. It is useful to mount the adapter in such a way that the light is visible from the operator's seat. A green light indicates power to the adapter, while a red light indicates that the tie function is active. Thanks for watching. You can find more helpful tips on our YouTube channel. Visit us at twine.mfg.com or give us a call at 877-296-5851.